Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about Kb Laminates interim report. Do note that this is not a financial advice or a buy or sell call. All content are AI generated and is not associated with anyone. Kb Laminates Holdings Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various sectors. The company's primary business involves the manufacture and sale of laminates, including glass epoxy and paper laminates, to international markets such as China, Europe, Asia, and the United States. In addition to its core laminate business, Kb Laminates Holdings Limited also provides a variety of upstream component materials, including copper foils, glass yarns, and epoxy resins. The company's services extend beyond manufacturing, with property sales and rentals, hotel accommodation services, and trading in copper. Furthermore, the company engages in the production and distribution of chemicals, electronic special materials, and specialty resins. Its investment portfolio comprises commercial, residential, and industrial properties, solidifying its presence in the real estate sector. The company's business operations are segmented into three main areas: laminates, properties, and investments, reflecting its diversified interests across multiple industries. Kb Laminates stock price skyrockets. A year of unprecedented growth in the past year, Kb Laminates, 1888 HK, has witnessed a remarkable 118% surge in its stock price. Several key factors have contributed to this substantial growth. Firstly, the company's strong interim financial results for the first half of 2025 showcased an 11% revenue increase and a 28.2% net profit surge, accompanied by a 25% hike in dividend per share. The entry into NVIDIA's supply chain has also been a significant driver, prompting CD to raise its target price for Kb Laminates to $20.50. Furthermore, the company's copper-clad laminates, CCL, and printed circuit boards, PCBs, have benefited from robust demand driven by the expanding global AI computing infrastructure. The industry's recovery and initiation of new price increases have also contributed to Kb Laminates' success. Analysts predict a sustained supply and demand gap in the PCB and CCL markets, indicating potential for further price and volume increases. These factors combined have propelled Kb Laminates to unprecedented growth, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Revenue growth can be attributed to several key drivers. The sales of laminates and its upstream materials have seen a significant increase of 11.3%, while the laminates segment has grown by 12.2%. Investments revenue has also risen by 13.5%. Strong demand in the electronics market, particularly for AI-enabled products, has driven growth across the industry. Additionally, capacity utilization improvement and product price increases have contributed to revenue growth. Central government policies stimulating electronics demand and rapid development in the AI industry have also played a role. Furthermore, increased demand for laminates, growth in data centers and cloud computing driving thick copper foil usage, and expansion of facilities improving cost efficiency have all contributed to revenue growth. On the other hand, rental income decline in the property division has been the primary driver of revenue decline. The company's financial performance indicates a significant milestone in its journey towards stability and growth. One notable achievement is the generation of positive operating cash flow. This means that the company is able to cover its operational expenses, invest in future growth initiatives, and potentially return value to shareholders without relying on external financing. The ability to generate positive operating cash flow is a crucial indicator of a company's financial health, as it demonstrates its capacity to sustain itself over time. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes in recent years. In terms of debt level, the most notable increase is seen in bank borrowings, which rose by 102% from $1,662,897 to $357,547. This substantial jump has contributed to a higher net gearing ratio, increasing from approximately 9% to 20%. Additionally, non-current liabilities have also increased, with debt instruments at fair value through other comprehensive income rising from $94,652 to $149,516. However, interest expenses on bank borrowings and lease liabilities have decreased. Interest expenses on bank borrowings dropped by 42% from $160,000 $534,000 to $92,910,000, while effective interest rate has also decreased significantly, down by 59% from 4.96% to 2%. The company's financial performance varied across different segments. Notably, the laminate segment showed improvement, with increased revenue and results from the previous year. In contrast, the properties and investments segment struggled, with significant decreases in revenue and results for the former, and a loss in $6 million 2024 for the latter. The management of the company is optimistic about its future prospects, driven by robust demand in the AI technologies and electronics market. To capitalize on this trend, they are implementing a multifaceted strategy that includes expanding market share through lean production, R&D supported innovation, and vertical integration. Additionally, significant investments are being made to establish new capacity expansions in Kingyuan City, 2025, and Xiaogyuan City, 2026, with a focus on high-end products for 5G/6G communications and AI servers. This approach aims to generate stable interest and dividend income for shareholders while achieving satisfactory long-term returns. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. In fact, it has declared an interim dividend of HK 15 cents per share and explicitly stated that it has paid dividends in the past. However, there is no mention of any share buyback or repurchase activities. That concludes the financial summary for Kb Laminates. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.